Welcome to new episode of Vastu Yash with me Gayatri and Dr. Avinash Deshpande. Today our celebrity is Hrithik Roshan. Well, let me introduce him to you. He is an Indian film actor and a professional dancer. As a child actor, he acted in many films in 1980s, but he made his debut through Kauna Pyare in 2000. He has won several awards as Best Debutant as well as Best Actor. We have seen him dancing, acting, singing in his movies. But one thing for him, for which he is known, is his good looks, his charming personality, and definitely his fit physique. But recently, he had suffered from a brain surgery due to the injury while performing a stunt for his upcoming film, that is Bang Bang. So my first question actually to Sir is this due to his personal year? Can you elaborate on this, sir?
Yeah, I welcome all viewers to special episodes on health series, particularly of Vastu Yash. Viewers, for any of the incidents, if you have to understand through numerology, then one must understand the concept of personal year, because we can analyze the situation under which the things are going on only if we know what is the personal year the person is going on. So present year is 2013, which is a universal year, I can say. But what is the personal year? Let me explain you the things in the brief. Personal year is very simple. It is just what you have to do is you have to replace the birth year by the year into consideration. Like suppose we are considering what will be the personal year for Hrithik Roshan in 2013. Then it will be 10 January 2013 sort of. So what we do is we do the total addition of this, which is shown here. So 10 plus 1 plus 2013 means 1 plus 1 plus 6, which makes 8. So every digit in numerology has got certain meanings, because every digit represents a particular planet, and forces or the energies related with the planets are making some impact on the personal level. So at present 2013 is a personal year 8 for Hrithik Roshan, which is governed by the Saturn. We'll understand what is that. Okay, what is your second question?
Well, my second question is why did he have to undergo such a surgery, brain surgery?
Yeah, this question has come because I think he was shooting for that Bang Bang movie or something, isn't it?
Right.
With who was the actress?
Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif, yeah, one of the leading actresses nowadays. And this incident took when Bang Bang was going on, shooting. See, particularly if you see the spelling of Bang Bang, then that number, see, again let me tell you the viewers, when we are considering any event, we have to say for this particularly the movie stars and all, we have to consider the movie name, what number it gives. So Bang Bang is giving number 4, which is Rahu, or North Node, what we say, and Rahu is something which is gives some different occult results, isn't it? And 8 is his personal year, which is governed by the Saturn. So the combination under which he was going during the shooting time, we can say that it was a 4-8, and his driver means the sum total of the day. As you know, the other episodes you must have seen of the Vastu Yash, so now you must be knowing what is the driver. So driver is 1 and 8. 1 is represented by Sun. Sun and Saturn are the enemies. So there are chances that something occur can happen to him, his life during this. And that too particularly when Rahu was also involved. So it's a combination of 1, 4 and 8. And that is the reason why this incident must have taken place.
Well, my third question to him is that Hrithik Roshan started with Kauna Pyare, which was his father's own production, Rakesh Roshan.
Right.
Also, you have seen Koi Mil Gaya, Krish. All these series have been a hit series. So, is there any reason behind this success?
Yeah, for success again, with whom are we working? That is very important.
Yes.
Like if we are taking the example of the, say suppose the husband and wife, then the compatibility for that, the drivers to driver or the digits of the driver for getting from the another partner is important. Like that, when he is working under his father's production, say Rakesh Roshan's production, then what we have to see is what is the birth date of the Rakesh Roshan. That plays very critical and important role. I think his birthday must be having some 6th or 15th, I don't know what it is.
Sir, I have
I just
the.
have a rough guess on that.
His birthday is 6 September 1914.
Yeah, see, Gayatri, why I said it to you is, the simple reason is, see, Hrithik Roshan is having 4 digit in his birth date, he is having 5 as his conductor, so what is missing in his birth chart? If you see the square chart of it, for that, of course, you have to see the earlier episodes of Vastu Yash, in which we have explained what is the golden link of 456. See, his link gets 456 link, which is a unique success giving link, which only a few people are having, like Amir Khan is having, then Sonia Gandhi, Maharashtrian leader, this, who is it, Raj Thackeray is having this link. So 456, so the most important digit is 6, which is fame, recognition, because it's a Venus, and for the film actor it is very much important. And that digit which he was missing in his birthday is obtained, or he got that digit because of his father. And that is why under his father's production, all his movies are giving us the great success to him, and thank God. So we are also enjoying all those movies.
Yeah, definitely. Next question to him is that there were rumors in 2012 that Krish 2 is getting released, but at the end, if you see, Krish 2 never happened. So why didn't Krish 2 got released?
Yeah, this is another good question. What I can say is, why we have to understand why Krish was very successful. Number one, see, if you, again, let me explain you that name number plays very important role. And that is why people are doing the spellings corrections into the name, and we also give that type of consultation in our private services if you are interested in. Like Krish, the name it is spelling as KRRISH, which puts the name number or gives us the name number 6. See, again, like his father gave him 6, like that, Krish gave him the 6, the missing digit, and 456 link was set up. And that is why Krish was very successful movie altogether. Now, if we see the Krish 2, why instead of Krish 2 it never came into reality? Why? Because Krish 2, the Krish becomes 6 and 2 becomes 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 and 1 clash. His rival is 1, as we have seen. So 1 and 8. It's very tough for him to get things released. And thank God it didn't come. Otherwise it would have been a super flop. Let me tell you, I am very sorry. I know you are a great lover of Hrithik Roshan, like my son is also a great lover, but things are things, I cannot deny those things. So thank God that Krish 2 never came. Okay? Any other question?
Yeah, my last question is that recently we all heard that Krish 3 is getting released. The date has been told as 3rd November 2013. So as a diehard fan of Hrithik Roshan, I would like to ask sir, that what is the fate of this film, Krish 3, at the box office?
It's like predicting the things for Hrithik Roshan. I am very happy to predict it that this movie is going to be released on 3rd. 3rd means 3 is the Jupiter. 1 is driver is 1, so 1 and 3 combination is very good. Rather, Jupiter is something which expands. So there are chances that you will get a mega success into this film. Another thing is the Krish 3. Now you know Krish becomes 6. Krish 3 will become to 9, which is a Mars. Again, 1 is driver is 1, which is Sun. Sun and Mars is a great combination. It's very attacking combination sort of. So maybe because of its stunts and other action-packed movie, I don't know what is that in that movie, but it will be a great hit. That's what I feel. So I think all people, we believe that numerology plays a very important role, and we wish him all the success into the coming movie Krish 3 also. Thanks. Thank you very much.
Thank you.